Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to activate the ability to review tags on Facebook. We start by opening Facebook and clicking on the account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Inside here, we will click on Profile and Tagging. After that, we will activate the two options that appear within Reviewing, so that we can review the tags that other users make in your publications before they appear. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.